So for today, I just went and set 13 units with a big old 350 ton crane. It's pretty cool. I'll try to put a couple pictures in if I can. Got a few shots. Now I'm going to a no cooling. It's a big old Trane, like a 30 ton Trane, caboose looking RTU. I did a couple repairs on this before. Hot surface igniter had failed, and the condenser fan motor fuse had popped. I found that the pinches were kind of loose, so I put a new fuse in there and tightened it, and everything seemed to be working for about 2 weeks. So I'm gonna go over there and see what we can get into. You guys have an awesome day. Rock on. Happy hump day. Baby, come on. Got the Trane tracker system, RTU 1, 2 in the main. We'll check our alarms. Compressor 2, lockout. Let's see. Let's go to advanced. Let's go to system setup. System status. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. Supply air 75. Compressors. So it's probably that frickin' fuse again. So I gotta investigate a little more on that unit and see what's going on with this fuse, because this is twice that's happened. It usually happens in the hottest part of the day. So I gotta dig a little deeper. But I mean, amp draws are good on it. Everything. I mean, it'll run for a week or 2 weeks. So it's one of those hard ones to catch. So I'm gonna go up there and see what I can find. So outdoor air 75. Alright, cool. I'm gonna hop on the roof and get back. Alright, so it's not trip. Shut it off. Like that. So this fuse is probably gonna be bad again. Gotta figure out why this fuse keeps going. So you can see it's off. Set your meter to ohms. We're gonna check the fuse, see if it's good or not. You wanna hear a beep? You don't hear the beep. That's the one I left in there to let me know if it was good or not. Alright, all the fuses are good, so it's going to be a different problem this time. So downstairs it said circuit 2 lockout for compressor. Let's try to see if we can find anything just obvious. And then we're going to see why circuit 2 locked out. So I thought it was going to be the fuse. Fuse is actually good. That's surprising. Alright, let me dig into this thing a little bit and then I'll get back here in a sec. Alright, so you want to ohm out your compressor. Go to the inside. Touch there. 3-phase. You're going to look for the same ohms. So I've got 0.5 ohms on all three. So I'm going to put this back together and then we're going to ohm out that one and see if we get the same. When you ohm out the compressor, you want to go to the compressor. Disconnect your leads, go to the compressor, to each one. I got 0.5 on this one all around. So the compressors, the windings are okay. So I'm going to go get my gauges and we're going to hook up on the system, get it started, and see if she'll come on for us. Alrighty. Weird. First stage, second stage. but they're piped in together, so it's technically one stage. So downstairs on the system, it says that it's 2-stage. Second stage was out. We got 52 amps. Trying to block that condenser as much as I can. Gotta get my gauges hooked up. I saw that the pressure switch, the high side was cracked. So I'll have to check there. 49 amps. All right, let me hook the gauges up and we'll see what our pressures are. So I just wanted to see what the total amps on the system is. 143 amps. Woo! It's a big wire. Alright, let me get my gauges hooked up. I keep talking. So I wanted to check the fan motors. All 3 fan motors come on. 1, let's just say 1, 2, and 3. I labeled them last time because it was annoying. I labeled that, the blower, just because it makes it easier if another technician comes up, go, oh, what are we looking at? All these freaking black wires everywhere in these trains. So yeah, let me get my gauges hooked up and we'll see what she's doing. Alrighty. Alright, so I found out my UEI wireless and my Testo Bluetooth, they won't connect up here. I'm next to a bunch of radio frequency things and I'm standing right next to it, connected for about 2 seconds. And I can't get it to connect, so this is what we got going on. Amps with the panel on, 132. There's my pressures, there's my amps. So I got the panel on, I got the UEI and the Testo in there, but it won't pick up because of these things. So I'm gonna sit up here for a little bit, watch it run, and see what she does. All right, we'll tune back in a little bit. It did shut off on me. It hit 405 PSI and then shut off. So I'm gonna figure out why we shut off. So I got it off right now, resetting it. Gonna kick it back on here in a sec. All right, so I'm all good. Been up here for a couple hours. It has an RTRM board in it, which controls everything. It controls the fans, the compressors. It was kind of quirking on and off. It was kind of, you know, turning the fans on, turn this off. So the only thing is the relay inside of the boards that's going to control that. You want to check your 24 volts, see if maybe your 24 is dropping, or if you know, your 120 or your 208. So voltage was all good. Luckily, I have the same unit right here. So what I did was I just put the board that was working in the unit that wasn't working. Now this unit's super solid, works great, and now this unit won't work. So that's cool. So I got to get a board now. We'll swap it out, and then this one will be good to go. So good stuff. But you guys have an awesome day. Rock on. About to get rained on over here. Up here in the pit. So you guys have an awesome day. See you on the next one.